Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another episode of Late and Easy, and this is going to be a quick video just explaining why I think the Galaxy SE is going to be the best phone of 2019. Let's hop right in.
Yeah, I'm like, oh god, oh my god.
Hey guys, before the video starts, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and also check out my merch store and my Discord. Let's go. Okay guys, today's shout out is be going to a guy named LXOF Jesus Espinoza, 407 subscribers, so he's got a decent amount. Got merch. Looks like he's a checklist. I respect that. And he uploads Fortnite, supporter creator code, all that good stuff. Go subscribe to him. Now let's hop into the video. Okay, so guys, I did a previous video on just an overview of the Galaxy S10 lineup that was coming out. I did the S10 Plus, S10, and S10e. I just did a broad overview of all three devices coming out in 2019. They're available for pre-order right now. I think they come out in a few days, some early March, I think March 8th, I think. So guys, I'm just going to be explaining why I want to get this phone, why you should be excited for this phone too. And the main reason is it's a Samsung Galaxy device. Samsung every year seems to improve on their hardware and software. Their software used to be bogged down, bunch of bloatware and everything. Now they're making it more simplistic when it comes to their software and their UI. They're making it more similar to iOS with their bigger icons now and the simplicity that goes into it. The one-handed use is also a big feature. The S10e is just a smaller device, and the One UI just makes one-handed use a little better in most aspects. So just gonna be a quick rundown why I think this device is so amazing. And one of the reasons for that is the price. Price is really cheap on this. It's on par with iPhone XR, $750. It's going to go down in price in the future. Screen, when it comes to screen, it's got a Super AMOLED display. It's only 1080p, so it's not as good as the S10 or S10 Plus, but that's okay because 1080p is good enough these days, as like you see most 1080p TVs are good enough. You don't need a 4K TV. Same thing here, you don't need Quad HD, everything's pretty crisp. When it comes to YouTube, that's still good, and when it comes to color reproduction, saturation, contrast, Samsung does it best. I'd say this screen is probably better than most other smartphone displays that are Quad HD, to be honest. When it comes to speed, processing power, it has a Snapdragon 855, so it's on par with the new Androids coming out this year. It's got the latest chipset. Battery life should be good just because of that display, and it's not that big. It's 5.8 inches, so it's not that big, and it's not that high of a resolution. Battery is 3100 milliamp hours, bigger than the S9, and you should get a decent amount of battery life with it. Comes in all these colors right here: Prism White, Prism Black, Prism Blue, and Flamingo Pink. I don't know why they didn't call it like Prism Pink. I don't know. Guess they don't want the alliteration there. So guys, let me think. Anything else? Oh, and dual camera setup. This is better than the S9 in that sense because it has two cameras, wide angle and a standard lens. I love wide angle lens. I have an LG G6 right now, and wide angle lenses come in clutch all the time. Still has the cutout for the front-facing camera. Front-facing camera is 10 megapixels. Really clear. It's got that ultra steady video capturing mode that you can use, so if you're a videographer or anything, that's really clutch. Let me think. Wireless charging, all that good stuff. You can wireless power share, so you can use this as a wireless charger. It still keeps the fingerprint sensor, still has facial unlock, still has dual speakers, still has a headphone jack. What am I missing? Expandable storage still has that. So guys, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you're excited for all these new features, why this is a great phone. I hope you guys go purchase this phone. Okay, so now before the video ends, just make sure you guys, if you guys want to shout out, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and use my Fortnite supported creator code in the link in the description, Scoop4321. Just use that in the Fortnite item shop. Helps the channel out and makes me make better content in the future. Apologize for the mic quality. Don't have my good mic anymore. Sorry, with me right now. Go follow me on all my social media, guys. And yeah, let me know your feedback in the comment section, what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.